Have you ever wondered what the future of electric luxury looks like? Well, you're looking at it right now. This is the all-new 2026 BYD Seal, one of China's most advanced electric sedans, combining futuristic technology, premium comfort, and impressive performance into one stunning package. Stay with me until the end because this car has some features that might surprise you. From the very first glance, the BYD Seal makes a powerful statement. Its sleek aerodynamic design, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a sporty yet elegant appearance. The low stance and futuristic styling make it look like a luxury performance sedan from the future. Every angle of this car has been carefully designed to maximize efficiency while turning heads wherever it goes. Moving to the rear three-quarter view, the BYD Seal continues to impress. The full-width LED taillight creates a premium signature look, especially at night. The flowing roofline blends perfectly into the rear design, giving the car a dynamic and athletic character. It's a design that feels both sophisticated and aggressive at the same time. Now let's take a look under the hood. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, the BYD Seal features an advanced electric powertrain. The intelligent engineering focuses on efficiency, reliability, and instant power delivery. Combined with BYD's cutting-edge battery technology, this electric sedan is built to deliver a smooth and responsive driving experience while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. Looking at the wheels and tires, we can see the attention to detail. The aerodynamic alloy wheels not only enhance the vehicle's sporty appearance but also help improve efficiency. The performance-oriented tires provide excellent grip and stability, ensuring confidence on city streets, highways, and even more demanding driving conditions. Stepping inside the luxury cockpit, the future becomes even more impressive. The cabin is designed around comfort and technology. A large digital display dominates the dashboard, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and a minimalist design philosophy create an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and futuristic. In the rear seats, passengers are treated to exceptional comfort. There's plenty of legroom and headroom, making long journeys relaxing and enjoyable. The premium upholstery, advanced climate controls, and refined cabin environment make every ride feel like a first-class experience. The center console is another highlight of the BYD Seal. The modern design integrates advanced controls, wireless charging, smart connectivity features, and premium finishes. Everything is positioned perfectly for convenience, creating a seamless interaction between driver and vehicle. Imagine arriving at a luxury hotel in the BYD Seal. The elegant design and premium presence make it look perfectly at home among the world's most prestigious destinations. Its modern styling and sophisticated character instantly communicate innovation and luxury. Now picture the BYD Seal surrounded by golden desert landscapes. The contrast between cutting-edge technology and natural beauty creates a truly stunning scene. Whether cruising through scenic routes or exploring new destinations, this electric sedan delivers comfort and confidence. Out on the highway, the BYD Seal demonstrates its true capabilities. Smooth acceleration, refined ride quality, and excellent stability make long-distance travel effortless. The quiet electric powertrain creates a relaxing driving experience while delivering instant torque whenever needed. Driving through a futuristic tunnel at night, the Seal's advanced lighting system and sleek silhouette create a dramatic visual experience. Reflections dance across the bodywork as the vehicle glides silently through the illuminated environment. And for those who enjoy performance, the racing track reveals another side of the BYD Seal. Instant electric acceleration, precise handling, and a balanced chassis allow the car to deliver an exciting driving experience while maintaining everyday practicality. Parked in front of a luxury palace, the Seal showcases its premium character. Its elegant proportions and sophisticated styling prove that electric vehicles can be just as luxurious and prestigious as traditional high-end sedans. Safety is another area where the BYD Seal shines. Its advanced collision avoidance system continuously monitors the surroundings using intelligent sensors and driver assistance technologies. These systems help detect potential hazards and provide additional confidence on every journey. Even in rainy conditions, the Seal remains composed and secure. Advanced traction systems, intelligent stability controls, and carefully engineered aerodynamics help maintain control and comfort in challenging weather. As night falls on the roads of a modern Chinese city, the BYD Seal truly comes alive. The futuristic skyline, glowing lights, and advanced electric technology create a vision of transportation that feels years ahead of its time. This is not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. The 2026 BYD Seal combines luxury, technology, safety, efficiency, and performance into one impressive package. It represents the rapid innovation happening in China's automotive industry and demonstrates how electric vehicles are redefining the future of transportation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to China Smart Cars Tech for more amazing future cars, electric vehicles, and cutting-edge automotive technology from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.